you. I am Iman and I welcome you to this comprehensive 0 to 100 Blender training. In this particular session, I intend to discuss constraints and how we can effectively utilize them for rigging purposes or for various models. If you have recently joined my channel, please be sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. So in this session, we are going to discuss constraints, and I apologize if I happen to mispronounce the term slightly. There is a high probability that this session will be divided into two separate parts, so let us proceed directly to the first part. First, let us understand what a constraint actually means. We are essentially defining a type of restriction for an object in fact 1. We place the object within a constraint so that we are able to utilize or animate it. You have two methods for constraints. One is assigning them to an object, or alternatively defining bounds for it. Define. Now let us explore where the constraints section originates from. So, here within the Constraints tab, assuming I have pronounced the spelling accurately, it is made up of 4 other sections. The sections are Motion Tracking, Transform, Tracking, and Resolution. Today we want to work through these sections together. The first of these options is Copy Location. Let us see how it functions. Start. I will bring this object, like for instance I bring it. Okay, I come here. I copy location. Then using the eyedropper tool, I select this. You see now, if I choose this, I will prevent XYZ and only tell it to move on the X-axis. For me, move it. See. I select this and it moves along the X-axis. Okay, I will come back. I will select these together, not Z. I select these together. Actually, I am selecting this. So it is currently moving for me along the YZ axis, as we can see. This is the part you work on. These two parts have a target section which is actually the scale. Whichever we set, for example local, I will set this one and that one to local. It defines the scales between these for me. Guys, until you work with it and see it in action, perhaps you might not fully understand my precise definition, but once you start and perform the work, you will fully understand it and then post it. Do it! If I turn off its eye, it will return back to its original place. If I make this, it exits this mode and returns to its original place. At some point I say, well, I have done my move. I do not need this anymore. What should I do? From this option, I check the box. Then I will check this box. The link will be broken and I can delete it. Alright? So, let us go. The option for copy rotation. Once I have selected this item, well, it rotates for me. If I select this again, in these angles, place it, select it. It rotated it backwards, alright? This is a copy too. It has targets like the last one, and this option that you can work with it Well, I'll close this too. Seeing here, copy scale. I will select this and adjust the scale to resize it. It is quite simple to use. You can choose it yourself and work with it to fully grasp this section. Well, I will press Ctrl Z a little. Oh, moving to limited. This copy transform is clear. When I click it, the transform appears and I can move it anywhere I want. Move it instead, for example, scale. I am going to select this and move it to a new place. This is the exact same transform tool that we have used together in everything before, and you have also seen it for yourself as well. So, I am going to go ahead and select limited. From this location you would navigate to the preferences section and then to viewport display. This specific one inside of the section. This is interesting. I click on data. Alright, I will shrink this down and bring it inside of this. So, this time I work in reverse and come here. If I gave it this, delete it, come to the cone. In this manner you are able to rotate it by full degrees exactly where you wish to scale it. And this is also based on scale. You rotate it and you are able to use it. Well, working with it is very simple. You can work with it completely. In the following session, I will explain the continuation of this section to you, friends, if you have just joined my channel. Please be sure to like my video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. And I would like to ask you, I am teaching you this tutorial from the very beginning to the end in a basic way. Please watch from the first session to the end. Don't skip around because you must. And then you might encounter some difficulties while building your projects. Until our next session, goodbye.